You might all own a car or you might all be drivers. Can you start a car in the final gear? Yeah, that's right. No, you cannot start because in the final gear, the torque delivered by the engine will be much less, and when we start a vehicle, our torque requirement of the car will be much higher. That the fourth gear or the fifth gear, the final gears cannot accommodate that much amount of torque. So if we need that amount of torque, we require to select the first gear which provides the maximum torque. That's why we cannot start the vehicle in a final gear, because simply the final gear provides very less amount of torque which is not adequate for a vehicle to start, or which is not adequate for the all the four wheels which are already in rest to start this motion. So simply the torque requirement does not match with the resistance of the wheels. That's why we does not use the final gears or the upper gears for starting a vehicle, because it simply doesn't happen. We select the first gear which provides the maximum torque for starting a vehicle. So I believe it's clear to you. For more technical videos, please subscribe to us and please rate us by clicking the like button or dropping a comment. Thanks for watching.